Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture we have learned about unless statement in Ruby, and today we will learn about case statement in Ruby. Case statement is same as switch block in C or C++. For example, I want to check my conditions for multiple possibilities. For example, I am having a list of months like from January to December, and on each month I want to greet a person at hello friends, this is January. For example, hello friends, this is February. Hello friends, this is December. When this kind of scenario is for us, it's easy to handle the same thing using Ruby. So here with Ruby, we are having one functionality, that is case statement. Here in a screen we can see the syntax of case statements. I need to return the case and the expression that we need to check. Then by using when keyword, we will check if that expression matches with our when condition. If that match with our when condition, it will execute that portion of the block. It will check for the rest of the blocks, and if we have provided else portion, if none of the block matches with our expression, it will execute the else. So let's take an example of case statement. So let's create my variable, and I am assigning a value 10 for now. And now let's write with case statement. Here is the keyword and my variable. Now here is the where condition, when string. This will check if my variable is string, then it will print, it will return it's learn one. Let me check new condition. When my variable is between 1 to, let me say 20, it prints it's between 1 to 20. Or let me say now I want to enter else portion. Else, if none of the conditions satisfied, it says that I am in else part. Now let's run this code. So for that we need to start our terminal, and here in terminal we need to write our Ruby and our program name, case statement.rb, and here it returns it's between 1 to 20 because our value is 10. Now let me make it 100 and let's run it again. It will show us that I am in else part because the value exceeds the limit, that is 20. It is not also a string, so it will goes to the else part. Now let me say I am assigning one value learn one. It's a string value. So let's run the program again, and it was showing that it's learn one. So this is how we can work with case statements in Ruby. In next lecture we will learn about loops in Ruby, and we will start with while loop.